But I'm very grateful that we can be here and be here with our doctor, our new doctor, Dr. Shayal. And now with our nursing station is now with our health center.
Thank you.
So I'm very grateful to that we have a big population here, not only here but also on the main road, and also going up right up to the top where the villages are. And we know that that the role of the doctor here is very important. About 2 years ago, we started getting the doctor to come into regular clinics here. But now that we have more doctors, we want to give them that exposure, but also make sure that everyone has access to a doctor. And it's not only here, also in Tau recently, we got a doctor there. She will know, the doctor that we have in Tau. In the same class or different?
Same class.
Same class, they were same class in medical school. So personally, I am very grateful that from Nandi, once we leave Nandi, we now have a doctor here in Nawaicoba, we have a doctor in Tau, a doctor in Lomoa, and we have 2 doctors now in Lugu. Because along this road, the population is getting more. On the road and also towards the sea and also in the island. The other thing is that we just recently had COVID. And the biggest concentration of work around COVID was in the West, predominantly Nandi, because you're the gateway. And we know that some of the first lockdowns happened here in the West, in Nandi area. So we want to also, as a Minister of Health, be sure that as we come out of COVID, we are building systems that are going to be stronger. And the doctor obviously will have time during the week when she will visit the communities. And that's why I asked you to come today, just to go back and tell the community that there are times during the week when she will come back and she will visit the community, designated days to see those who are sick at home, and also to see if there's any brewing communicable disease that's happening in the community. Normally speaking, when we have a health center, we have a board of visitors. So she will be talking to you to find out who we can bring in to the board of visitors. The board of visitors in a health center is a group of people, respected people from the community, who also support the work of the health center. They could fundraise and do some minor work. They can give suggestions to the Minister for Health, because the Minister of Health makes the appointment on the recommendation of the community. Yeah? So I'd like to also ask you to have a think about who might be useful to be the board of visitors of our health center. At the moment, we only got the quarters for the nurse, but we will be looking long term to build something for the doctor. But we'll work with DO and DMO in case there's a house or a flat close by that we can be able to rent. We can rent it so that either the nurse or the doctor stays there. But for the moment, you will know coming from Nandi?
No, I'm renting in Nandovia.
Nandovia, so not far from here, eh? Okay. Now, moving forward, the only other thing that I wanted to say was we've come and done the service on behalf of us as a ministry and also on behalf of the doctor. So obviously you have accepted it through Yada today. And now I'm entrusting the doctor and the nurse into your care. Make her feel like she's your daughter. Look after her, because the more you look at the doctors and the nurses are like the Fiji Sevens team. When they're happy, they play very well. They make a gold medal winning combination. There are some communities around Fiji where they scare the doctor, or they terrorize them. Especially now we have more staff that are female. Sometimes in some places the young men want to go and terrorize them. And that's difficult for us, because we are there in Suba and our staff are here. They are like our family. So I know that this is a good community and you will look after her and look after our nurse, and encourage everyone to utilize our health center. The Fiji Pharmaceutical and Biomedical Services Unit, they've already come here about 2-3 weeks ago. They've started putting in equipment that the doctor needs, including a backup generator. So the amount of services being offered here will be higher than what you normally have. And as time goes on, we will continue to work together in that regard. That's the whole aim of my coming today, to come and do the service on behalf of our doctor, to introduce you formally to you, to ask that we work together to protect the health of our families here, and also, as I said, if we can work together on opportunities not only for health, but also other opportunities to to help us here. Again, she's here, so there will be sometimes people who will come from on the main road to come all the way to here to be seen. That's okay. But she's already here.